So, have you ever felt that frustration? You're using an AI tool like ChatGPT, this incredibly powerful thing, and the answers you get back are just so generic, so uninspired. They just feel flat. Well, if that sounds familiar, you're in exactly the right place because we're going to fix that for good. Okay, let's just dive right in. This quote is everything. It gets right to the heart of the matter because it's the fundamental mistake that pretty much everyone makes when they're starting out. We've spent decades training our brains to Google it, right? That muscle memory is so strong that we just automatically treat this brand new technology the exact same way. So, I want you to think for a second. What were your last few prompts like? Were you just typing in short little phrases, kind of like a search, hoping for a quick answer? Hey, if you were, don't even worry about it. That's how we all start. But the best part is, this is such an easy fix, and it is going to instantly change the quality of your results. I like to call this whole thing the vending machine problem. Think about it. You walk up to a vending machine, you put in your command, your dollar, you press B4, and you expect a prepackaged, predictable little snack to just pop out at the bottom. The problem is, true creativity, real insight, that stuff doesn't come out of a vending machine.
And here's the perfect example. I mean, come on, we've all done this, right? You just type in, give me a business idea. It feels like a totally normal thing to ask, but what you've really done without even realizing it is you've just typed a search query. You haven't given the AI anything real to work with. And because you gave it absolutely nothing, you get nothing useful back. I mean, how could you? The AI has zero context. It doesn't know your skills, your passions, your budget, where you live. Nothing. So what does it do? It spits out the most generic, vague, and boring list you can possibly imagine. Sound familiar? But right here, this is the aha moment. This is the simple little mindset shift that changes the entire game. If you want to get truly great results, you have to stop making queries and you have to start having conversations. You need to stop commanding and start collaborating. And this really breaks it down perfectly. Over here on the left, you've got searching. That's the vending machine. It's a one-way street. You put in low effort, you get low-quality results. Simple as that. But over here on the right, this is where the magic happens. Collaborating. Now we're talking about a two-way dialogue, where the AI becomes your creative partner. Yeah, it asks a little more of you, but the results you get back are, wow, they're exponentially better. And this brings us to this key idea, collaborative prompting. All it is the practice of getting an AI to ask you clarifying questions before it even tries to give you a final answer. You're pretty much teaching it right there on the spot how to be a better assistant for you. Okay, so the theory is cool and all, but let's make this super practical. This is your new superpower, and I'm going to show you exactly how to start using it, like right now. Just look at the difference here. It is night and day. We go from that lazy, give me a business idea, to this powerful prompt, ask me 10 questions to clarify my niche before suggesting a business idea. See that? That one sentence completely flips the script on the entire interaction. This whole approach follows a really simple, repeatable formula. First, you state your ultimate goal. What do you actually want to achieve? In this case, it's a business idea. Second, you assign the AI a role. Make it your expert consultant. And third, and this is the secret sauce, you command it to ask you questions. You force it to gather context. And the result? Oh, it's a total game changer. The AI is no longer a vending machine spitting out some stale, prepackaged answer. It is now an active partner in the conversation. It is thinking with you, digging for the context it needs to give you a truly personalized, high-quality response. So, as we start to wrap this up, if you take only one single thing away from our time together today, please let it be this simple, but really profound shift in how you approach these tools. It all boils down to this one idea right here. Next time you open up that chat window and you see that blinking cursor, just ask yourself one question. Am I searching right now, or am I collaborating? That simple question is going to determine the quality of everything that comes next. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought. You don't just have a tool anymore. You have a partner. You have a collaborator that can help you brainstorm and create and solve problems in ways that you might not have been able to before. So the only real question left is, what are you going to create together?